Listen, I know some flowers bloom for a season, but true love bloom forever. With patience, with care, with two hearts beating as one. Oh Jah, we are blooming together forever. Oh, Me remember when our journey started, a little seed planted inside the heart. Two strangers walking different ways, until love brought brighter days. You came like sunshine after rain, healing every hidden pain. With your smile and gentle touch, me knew me found something much. Like a garden beneath the sky, our love began to multiply. Every moment, every day, growing stronger along the way. Oh Jah, me give thanks tonight for a love that feels so right. Like flowers reaching for the sun, our beautiful story has begun. We are blooming together forever, growing stronger through every weather. Like flowers dancing in the breeze, our love brings me heart such peace. We are blooming together forever, holding on through every endeavor. With your hands safely in mine, our love will continue to shine. Oh yeah, blooming together forever. Me love the way you understand every dream and every plan. When the world gets cold outside, you bring warm prayer by my side. We don't need a perfect road or a life without a heavy load, 'cause every challenge that we face only make our love grow with grace. Like roses after morning dew, every day me discover something new. Every laugh and every tear make our bond stronger year by year. Love is a garden, need a caring hand, need two hearts that understand. Jah keep blessing what we grow, more than words could ever show. We are blooming together forever, growing stronger through every weather. Like flowers dancing in the breeze, oh our love brings me out such peace. We are blooming together forever, holding on through every endeavor. With your hands safely in mine, our love will continue to shine. Listen, me know some people search the whole world wide, looking for love they can't find. But me found paradise right here, with someone who keeps me near. Love is not about gold or fame, it's about a heart that stays the same. Someone who chooses you each day and never walk away. Every sunrise, every moonlight glow shows how far our love can grow. From a little seed we planted before, now we bloom forevermore. Oh, let the flowers rise, let the ocean sing, let the island breeze carry everything. Two hearts, one love, one beautiful dream, growing forever like a garden evergreen. Now every morning feels brand new, because me get to share life with you. Every sunset paints the sky with the love we carry inside. Hey, then the drums play across the shore, come I couldn't ask for more. On the palm trees, on the stars, love has brought us where we are. Through every season, every year, me promise me will always be near. 'Cause what you're doing with love and care is a blessing beyond compare. We are blooming together forever, growing stronger through every weather. Like flowers reaching for the sky, our love will never fade garden of love by the sea. Listen me now. By the ocean where the palm trees sway, a little garden grow every day. Not made of flowers alone, but made of love, trust, and two hearts finding home. Oh Jah, a garden of love by the sea. Me remember the day you came my way, like sunshine on a cloudy day. The ocean breeze was blowing free, and love was waiting there for me. Your smile was like a flower bloom, filling every empty room. With every laugh and every touch, me heart discovered love so much. We planted dreams beneath the sky, watch them grow as time passed by. Like a garden near the shore, our love keeps growing more and more. Oh Jah, me thank you for this blessing true, for giving me a love like you. With every wave that meets the sand, I feel your love inside my hand. In a garden of love by the sea is where your heart belongs with me, where the flowers bloom and the waters flow, and our love continues to grow. In a garden of love by the sea, where everything feels so peaceful and free. Through every season, come what may, our love will never fade away. Oh yeah, a garden of love by the sea. Me love the way you bring me peace, like gentle waves that never cease. When life gets hard and storms appear, you remind me you're always near. No treasure found beneath the ground could match the love that we have found. No diamond shine, no gold so bright could compare to your love tonight. We build our garden day by day, with every word we choose to say, with kindness, patience, and care. A love so beautiful and rare. Love needs sunshine, love need rain, love need hearts that remain. Jah keep watching over what we grow, more than words could ever show. In a garden of love by the sea is where your heart belongs with me, where the flowers bloom and the waters flow, and our love continues to grow. In a garden of love by the sea, where everything feels so peaceful and free. Through every season, come what may, our love will never fade away. Listening now, some people travel far and wide, looking for love they can't find, but me found my paradise inside your loving eyes. Every sunrise paints a new story, every sunset shows our glory. The ocean sings our melody, a song of love and harmony. Like flowers reaching for the sun, our journey has only begun. With Jah guiding every step, a love like this I'll always protect. Oh, hear the waves, hear the trees, feel the love inside the breeze. A little garden, a beautiful star, growing forever inside our hearts. Now every morning my wake and smile, knowing you're beside me all the while. Every blessing, every day, thank you for sending you my way. Let the drums play along the shore, cause we couldn't ask for more. Under moonlight, under stars, love has shown us who we are. And when the years begin to pass, our love will still forever last. Like a garden beside the sea, growing wild and beautifully. In a garden of love by the sea, forever you will stay with me, where the flowers bloom and the waters flow, And our love continues to grow in a garden of love by the sea, where our hearts live peacefully through every sunrise, every tide. I'll always keep you by my side. Oh yeah, a garden of love by the sea, forever and always. Yeah. Some gardens grow with water, some gardens grow with sunlight, but the most beautiful garden grows with love by the sea. Yeah. Listen me now. Some people search the whole world looking for a place where their heart can rest, but me found mine inside your love. A place where happiness grows, a place where dreams bloom. Oh Jah, your love is my island garden. Before you came, my heart was like an empty shore, waiting for something it never felt before. Then you arrived like sunshine after rain, bringing sweet healing to every pain. You planted kindness deep inside my soul, held broken pieces become whole. Every smile you give, every word you say, make me grateful for another day. Like flowers opening to the morning light, you make everything feel right. In the garden of love we create, me know Jah brought us together by faith. Oh Jah, me thank you for this precious gift, for the love that give me spirit I lift. Like a river flowing to the sea, your love keeps growing inside of me. Your love is my island garden, where my heart finds peace and pardon, where the flowers bloom and the palm trees sway, and happiness grows every day. Your love is my island garden, a blessing I will always cherish through every storm and every season. You are my heart's sweetest reason. Oh yeah, your love is my island garden. Hey, me love the way you bring me comfort, the way you love me without regret. When the world feels heavy and cold, you remind me of the beauty we hold. We plant our dreams beneath the sky, watch them grow as time goes by. Every memory, every little smile, make every journey worthwhile. No treasure underneath the ocean floor could ever give me something more. God's true riches are found inside the love we keep and never hide. Love needs sunshine, love need rain, love need hearts that remain with patience and care. Forever we grow like flowers blooming where the warm winds blow. Yeah. Your love is my island garden, where my heart finds peace and pardon, where the flowers bloom and the palm trees sway, and happiness grows every day. Your love is my island garden, a blessing I will always cherish through every storm and every season. You are my heart's sweetest reason. Listen me now, you don't need a mansion by the shore if me have your love forevermore. Paradise is not a place me need to find, cause your heart is where my peace reside. Every sunrise tells our story, every sunset shines our glory. The ocean waves and island breeze sing our love through the trees, like a flower growing wild and free. Your love brings out the best in me. Every day me discover something new about the beautiful art in you. Let the flowers bloom, let the rivers flow, let the island breeze carry what we know. True love is a garden built with spent with you feels like a dream come true. Let the drums play along the beach, let the whole world hear love's sweet speech. Because what we have is rare and bright, for love that shines through every night. And when the years begin to pass, a garden will forever last, rooted deep with love and trust, growing strong because it must. Yeah, love is my island garden, oh, where my heart finds peace and pardon, where the flowers bloom and the palm trees sway, and happiness grows every day. Your love, is my island garden, oh, forever my heart will cherish. Through every sunrise, every tide, I'll keep you right here by my side. Oh yeah, your love is my island garden, forever blooming, forever mine. Yeah, a garden needs love, a flower needs light, and my heart found its paradise inside your love. Listen me now, love is like a garden. It needs sunshine, it needs rain, it needs two hearts willing to grow. And when God bless the roots, beautiful things begin to bloom. Oh yeah, together we bloom in paradise. Together we bloom in paradise. Me remember when our story starts, a little spark inside the heart. Two different roads, two different ways, until love brought brighter days. You came like sunshine after rain, turning my worries into champagne. With your smile and your gentle touch, you showed me love could mean so much. Like a flower reaching for the sky, our dreams began to multiply. Every moment, every memory, growing into sweet harmony. Oh, time me give thanks tonight for a love that feels so right. Like petals opening to the sun, our forever has begun. Together we bloom in paradise, where love shines bright in our eyes. Like flowers dancing in the breeze, you bring my heart such perfect peace. Together we bloom in paradise, growing stronger with every sunrise. Hand in hand we face the tide, forever standing side by side. Oh yeah, together we bloom. Love the way you understand every dream and every plan. When the world gets cold outside, you bring warmth right by my side. We don't need a perfect life without any trouble or strife, cause every challenge that we meet makes our love become complete. Like a garden we water with care, built with trust and moments we share. Every laugh and every tear make our connection stronger each year. Love needs patience, love needs time. Two hearts grow in a beautiful design. God keep blessing the seeds we sow. Watch our garden continue grow. Together we bloom in paradise, where love shines bright in our eyes. Like flowers dancing in the breeze, you bring my heart such perfect peace. Together we bloom in paradise, growing stronger with every sunrise. Hand in hand we face the tide, forever standing side by side. Listen me now, some people search the world around, looking for love that can't be found. But me found my paradise right here, with a heart that keeps me near. Me don't need diamonds, me don't need gold. Your love is the greatest treasure to hold. 'Cause true riches are not what we own, it's the love we build inside our home. Every sunrise tells our story, every sunset shows our glory. The ocean waves and island breeze sing our love through the palm trees. Oh, let the flowers bloom, let the rivers flow, let the island wind carry what we know. Two hearts, one dream, one love, one rhythm, growing forever like paradise. Now every morning, now every morning feels brand new, because me get to share life with you. Every blessing from above reminds me of our beautiful love. Let the drums play across the shore, 'cause me couldn't ask for more. Under moonlight, under stars, we know exactly who we are. Through every season, every year, me promise me we'll always be near. 'Cause what we grow with love and care is a garden beyond compare. Together we bloom in paradise, where love shines forever bright, like flowers reaching for the sky. Our love will never fade or die. Together we bloom in paradise, a blessing we see with our eyes. Through every storm and every tide, forever you stay by my side. Oh yeah, together we bloom in paradise, forever and always. Listen now, a flower blooms with sunlight, a heart blooms with love, and together we bloom forever in paradise, in paradise. Yeah, listen me know. Every island flower have a story, every ocean wave carry a song, and every true love have a place where it can bloom. Oh Jah, our hearts bloom like island flowers. Remember the day you came my way, like sunshine at the start of a brand new day. The island breeze was soft and sweet when two hearts finally got to meet. Your smile shine brighter than the morning light, making everything feel so right. But never knew love could be so true until me found this feeling with you. Like a seed beneath the ground, love was growing without a sound. Every moment, every little part was planting flowers inside our hearts. So that me thank you for this gift so rare, for a love built with truth and care. Like flowers reaching for the sky, our love will continue rise high. Our hearts bloom like island flowers, growing stronger every hour. With the sunshine and the rain, our love keeps dancing again. Our hearts bloom like island flowers, beautiful through every shower, rooted deep, forever true. My heart keeps blooming with you. Oh yeah, our hearts bloom like island flowers. Me love the way you bring me peace, like gentle waves that never cease. When the world gets heavy and cold, you You remind me of the love we hold. Walking barefoot along the shore. We knew we couldn't ask for more. Palm trees swaying, sky so blue. Everything feels better with you. We don't need a perfect life without any trouble or strife. 'Cause every storm we overcome makes our love become more strong. Love needs patience, love needs time. Two hearts grow in a beautiful design. Jah keep watering the seeds we sow. Watch our garden continue grow. Our hearts bloom like island flowers, growing stronger every hour. With the sunshine and the rain, our love keeps dancing again. And our hearts bloom like island flowers, beautiful through every shower. Rooted deep, forever true. My heart keeps blooming with you. Listen, me know some people search the whole world wide, looking for love they cannot find. But me found paradise right here, with a love that keeps me near. Every sunrise tells our story, every sunset shows our glory. The ocean sings, the breeze knows too, that my heart belongs to you. Like he discussed opening in the sun, our journey has only begun. Every day and every night, our love keeps shining bright. Oh, feel the wave, feel the breeze. Love is growing through the tree. No storm can break what Jah create. Two hearts together, a beautiful fate. No, every morning we give thanks and pray for the love that brightens every day. Every laugh and every smile makes this journey worthwhile. Let the drums play across the shore, let the whole world hear love's roar. On the stars and moonlight glow, watch our beautiful garden grow. Through every season, every tide, me will keep you by my side. Because forever my heart will say, I choose you more every day. Our hearts bloom like island flowers, growing stronger every hour. Through the sunshine and the rain, our love will always remain. Our hearts bloom like island flowers, forever blessed by Jah's power. Hand in hand, forever true. My paradise begins with you. Oh yeah, our hearts bloom like island flowers forever, forever. Flowers need sunshine, hearts need love, and our hearts will keep blooming forever. Yeah, listen me know. Every island flower have a story. Every ocean wave carry a song. And every true love have a place where it can bloom. Oh Jah, our hearts bloom like island flowers. Mama, the day you came my way, like sunshine at the start of a brand new day. The island breeze was soft and sweet when two hearts finally got to meet. Your smile shine brighter than the morning light, making everything feel so right. But never knew love could be so true until me found this feeling with you. Like a seed beneath the ground, love was growing without a sound. Every moment, every little part was planting flowers inside our hearts. So that me thank you for this gift so rare, for a love built with truth and care. sunshine and the rain, our love keeps dancing again. Our hearts bloom like island flowers, beautiful through every shower, rooted deep, forever true. My heart keeps blooming with you. Oh yeah, our hearts bloom like island flowers. Make me love the way you bring me peace, like gentle waves that never cease. When the world gets heavy and cold, you remind me of the love we hold. Walking barefoot along the shore, we knew we couldn't ask for more. Palm trees swaying, sky so blue, everything feels better with you. We don't need a perfect life without any trouble or strife, 'cause every storm we overcome makes our love become more strong. Love needs patience, love needs time. Two hearts grow in a beautiful design. Jah keep watering the seeds we sow. Watch our garden continue grow. Our hearts bloom like island flowers, growing stronger every hour. With the sunshine and the rain, our love keeps dancing again. And our hearts bloom like island flowers, beautiful through every shower, rooted deep, forever true. My heart keeps blooming with you. Listen, me know some people search the whole world wide, looking for love they cannot find, but me found paradise right here, with a love that keeps me near. Every sunrise tells our story, every sunset shows our glory. The ocean sings, the breeze knows too, that my heart belongs to you. Like he discussed opening in the sun, our journey has only begun. Every day and every night, our love keeps shining bright. Oh, feel the wave, feel the breeze, love is growing through the tree. No storm can break what Jah create. Two hearts together, a beautiful fate. No, every morning we give thanks and pray for the love that brightens every day. Every laugh and every smile makes this journey worthwhile. Let the drums play across the shore, let the whole world hear love's roar. On the stars and moonlight glow, watch our beautiful garden grow. Through every season, every tide, me will keep you by my side, because forever my heart will say, I choose you more every day. Our hearts bloom like island flowers, growing stronger every hour, through the sunshine and the rain, our love will always remain. Our hearts bloom like island flowers, forever blessed by Jah's power, hand in hand, forever true. My paradise begins with you.